That's my setup here.
Today we are diving into the world of on-camera monitors with a close look at the Neewer F700, a 7-inch field monitor. Whether you're a videographer seeking clear visuals or a photographer aiming for precise framing, this monitor may just be the tool you didn't know you needed. Neewer sent me their F700 monitor for free to test and review.
Let's first put the battery into here. We could use 2 batteries here, but for now we don't use it so long, so I just need one. It's also lighter, especially on the gimbal. Then I mount it here. I have a special mount here by a small rig that I like. Just this little connection here to the gimbal. Let's plug in the HDMI cable here into the monitor and then up to the camera here. Perfect. Let's turn on the camera. Here we have an image there, and let's turn on the monitor. Here we go, my setup is ready to go outside and have fun with the gimbal here. Here I have the Neewer F700 monitor connected to the RS4 Pro, the DJI RS4 Pro here. This gives me a nice monitoring option because this built-in monitor is very small here. And if on the side the F700, the 7-inch monitor here, so it gives me a nice, better view to see if I'm in focus, to see what I'm framing. The F700 features a 7-inch IPS touchscreen with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels that ensures sharp and vibrant visuals. The impressive 2000 nit brightness means outdoor shoots on the bright sunlight are no longer a challenge, eliminating the need for sunhood. The monitor comes equipped with essential tools like false colors, zebras, histogram, waveform, rotoscope and much more. And it supports HDR. These features adhere to the Rec 709 HD color standard, ensuring accurate color representation. Additionally, with 15 preloaded 3D LUTs and support for up to 60 custom LUT uploads via an SD card, color grading becomes a seamless process. Supporting 4K HDMI input and output, the F700 is compatible with a wide range of video formats. The inclusion of a 3.5mm headphone jack allows for real-time audio monitoring. Powering the monitor is flexible. It supports NPF series batteries, DC input and USB Type-C fast charging. Notably, it can also function as a dummy battery for cameras with an 8-volt output, extending shooting times during outdoor sessions. Weighing in at a manageable 375 gram or 13.2 ounces, the F700 is both lightweight and robust. The 160-degree ultra-wide viewing angle ensures clarity from various perspectives, and the full-screen glass design adds durability, making it suitable for diverse shooting scenarios. In practical use, the Neewer F700 shines in several areas. Now when you use the monitor with a teleprompter, you want to mount it to the side of the camera, and sometimes you need to actually flip it. So because here right now it's upside down, I programmed one of the F buttons. So I'm just can click here and it just rotated it around.
The high brightness levels ensures that even on the direct sunlight, the display remains clear and readable. Each NPF 750 battery provides approximately 2.4 hours of continuing use. With 2 batteries, users can expect close to 5 hours of operation, reducing the downtime during shoots. The touchscreen is responsive and the updated user interface is intuitive, allowing for quick access to essential functions. The ability to customize shortcut buttons enhances the user experience, making on-the-fly adjustments straightforward. The Neewer F700 is suitable for both videographers and photographers, especially those working in challenging lighting conditions. The inclusion of professional monitoring tools and LUT support caters to both shooting and post-production needs. Multiple power sources ensures adaptability in various shooting environments. While functional, the plastic constructions might not feel as premium as some higher-end monitors. However, it remains durable for regular use.
The absence of SDI connectivity may be a limitation for professionals relying on that interface. The Neewer F700 7-inch field monitor offers a compelling mix of features, performance and affordability. Its high brightness display, coupled with essential monitoring tools, make it a valuable asset for content creators aiming for precision and efficiency. While it has many limitations, the overall value it provides positions it as a worthy consideration for those looking to enhance their shooting experience. Check out this video next to learn more about filmmaking and filmmaking gear and how to use them. Thanks for watching, and see you next one. Bye for now. Oh well, I have the monitor right here, right over here next to the telecom there.